Ever felt overwhelmed trying to write a literature review, unsure where to start or what to include? You're not alone. Whether you're tackling a term paper, thesis, or research project, a literature review is a crucial step. In this video, we'll simplify the process into clear, manageable steps to help you write an effective literature review. Let's dive in. Step 1. Understand the purpose. Before you begin, it's essential to understand what a literature review is. It's not just a summary of sources, it's a critical analysis that explores existing research on a topic, identifies gaps, and sets the context for your own work. Think of it as mapping out the current knowledge landscape to highlight where your research fits in. Step 2. Gather and organize sources. Start by selecting a focused topic or research question. Use academic databases like Google Scholar, JSTOR, or your institution's library to find relevant articles and books. As you collect sources, take notes on key findings, methodologies, and conclusions. Organize your notes thematically or chronologically to identify patterns and relationships between studies. Step 3. Analyze and synthesize. Now, analyze the literature you've gathered. Look for common themes, debates, and gaps in the research. Ask yourself, what are the prevailing theories? Where do studies agree or disagree? What's missing? Synthesize this information to provide a comprehensive overview that supports your research objectives. Step 4. Write the review. With your analysis in hand, begin writing your literature review. Start with an introduction that outlines the scope and purpose. Then, present the literature in a structured manner, either thematically, methodologically, or chronologically. Conclude by summarizing the key findings and highlighting how your research will address identified gaps or contribute new insights. Final tips and motivation. Remember, a strong literature review is clear, concise, and critical. Don't just describe studies, evaluate them. Keep your writing organized and always relate the literature back to your research question. And if you need assistance at any stage, from research to writing, visit proukwritings.co.uk. We're here to support your academic journey.